Oh.
Oh my god, Soldier's mouth moves when you talk.
He's fucking cool.
Oh, now I can't see. Now I can't see. Yep, look. Can we go Marsh? Okay, right. Shut that shit off. Guys, you still see it? Onward!
I don't know why I got off. I don't have anything on me.
Lights off. Huh? Oh, I was turning my IRL lights off to make it boopy. Yeah. Landmine. Yeah, it's the closest yeah. There's a landmine near here, keep an eye out. Okay, I'll go this way.
Oh.
Testing.
Hello. B-type engines there. The fuck was that?
Standing behind me.
I got a frog in my pants. Yeah. Got a key if anyone needs. Did you know that?
Box live!
Town has fallen.
Hey Jack, I'm outside the fire exit. Hey, I've got my hands full. Hello. Well, it ain't me. Did you take the core out? Was it you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm a
George
gay father.
dead.
Second tower has fallen.
Sorting the gear out so it's like we can just scan it real quick and get the full price. I'ma be on comms while you guys are gone. Yep, will do.
I got a body.
How's it looking?
$50p.
What'd he die to? Don't tell me he's dead too. What we thinking, lads? Are you guys going out, or what's happening?
Yeah, no. Let's leave.
Why? What time? It's 5. We can go in for a quick one, couldn't we? Oh wait, hold on. Wait. Did we get the? Oh no, we didn't. Hang on, I'll be right back.
Let's leave. Let's leave. It'll be so funny if we leave.
It'd be so funny if we left. Don't you fucking dare, I'm coming right back. It will be so funny if we leave. It will be so funny if we leave. It'll be so hilarious if we leave.
Oh, it'll be so funny if we just left. Close the door, close the door, close the door, close the door!
No, you bastard! No, please! I beg! Oh my god, I made it. I fucking...
Close the door.
Let me fucking in. Let me in. Holy shit.
It'll be so funny if we left him behind.
I will kill you. I will kill you. The children
did?
yearn for the
Oh,
light.
wait, you haven't given me your Discord yet.
Oh. Is anyone... Question, is
I don't
anyone
have a
staying on the
flashlight,
ship?
so I'm gonna have to need the simple
Nah,
one.
I'm going in.
Who's going then? Am I staying?
Bye bye. Whee!
Don't die, don't die. I got a frog in my body.
Right, guys. Alright, guys, the plan is we go and find the shovel, we go and kill them.
Yes. Mutiny.
Right, go for it.
Testing, 1, 2, 5.
Oh, this fucking light is so. This light is so ass, man. Thought I was going to spider for a second, but no.
Nice. Okay. I can't hear anything from George, but he's moving around, so keep an eye out.
I got this.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
I'm blue, double D, double da. Double D, double da, double D, double da. I'm blue.
Guys? Who pulled the fucking core? Who pulled the core?
Follow me. This way, follow my boys. Follow me.
Nuclear bomb. There's a lizard over there. Yeah, I can't see shit, guys. Guys? Guys? Hello? Hello? Kyle? I don't know, like, what? Hello? Hello? I don't know where you are. Oh, hi. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Is it? You probably shouldn't have pulled battery. I can put it in a battery. Should we? Is it upstairs that we? Oh fuck! Bracken. Bracken usually waits up corners.
Oh,
What?
You were sexy up. Oi.
How deep are you guys in there?
Oh.
Where?
You guys forgot the boombox.
Oh no. Oh shit.
George? You know, hey guys, where's George? Is he? Oh, wait. Hello?
Yeah.
Guys? Okay. Think George's dead. No.
Yeah.
We may be lost. No! You bastard! Hey, what's this like fucking alien baby calling? What's this alien baby calling? What's this alien baby thing? Please. The man-eater! Run away! It's running away from me. I have a fucking slender man on me, and
Ooh, a door.
You got killed by the man-eater.
Jack is dead.
You
Jack
got
is
killed
so
by
fucking
man-eater.
dead.
Yeah,
You
I'm
got
dead as
killed
well.
by- Yeah,
what the fuck are you?
Yeah,
Guys.
He's behind me, isn't he?
Kyle is
What's
fucking dead,
happening?
bro. Kyle. Yeah,
What the fuck are you?
the man-eater, it gives him starts off as like a baby. If you don't make it stop crying, it fucking goes and kills you like immediately. I
you not-
died to a hole
Is
again.
there a way for me to
I
tell
can't
where you
jump
guys
and
are?
sprint.
I can only see what you see.
There is a way, I don't know. Can't remember. Anyway, yeah, so,
Is boss music playing?
I'm pretty coil head. Uh-oh.
Beeping.
yeah,
Oh.
I'm dead.
You,
You might as
I
well just
think-
take off.
I think that's a coil head.
Sure?
We're running around.
Yeah, no, Dad.
Like, I got a bracken in front of me, and also that man-eater. I am...
Dad, okay? There is no
What you-
survival for me at all. Like, 0%
Wait,
is
they're
impossible.
leaving. Oh wait, never mind. I was gonna say one of them's leaving.
Oh, who's the... Just leave. I don't care.
Oh. Bye, Kyle.
Yeah, bye. I'm fucked down here.
I don't know if this was the right one for you, but it was the only one that showed up, by the way, just to let you know.
Oh, it's not the one, but it's pretty good though.
You gotta charge it. Right. Get her gun. Good luck, lads. I'll be over on comm.
But it isn't Jack, but this is me. How are you doing? Look, we're fucking ready. Buddy, let's go. Fucking Team Fortress 2. Let's go. What is this? Hi, Max. How is oh, yeah. How are you doing, lad? Nice. All right. Wow. And into the building now. So. Oh, it's a fucking mine shaft 1. Yeah. Well, mine shaft time. We got so good down by the way. Oh, lock.
What happened? You're fucking joking me, right? On my head. Fuck off.
Follow Jack's horn. Oh, hey! Hey!
What?
Oh, yeah, careful.
Oh. Fuck.
Oh, there's an engine here. Someone pick up this engine. Fuck me! That scared me. Jack, help me transport this stuff. Well, as long as we both look at them and slowly walk towards them, we'll be fine. They have a fear factor. Ah, yeah, it's literally like a pipe bomb. Yeah. Wow! Another one? Another one! Wait, should we go looking for a nest? Like, after we get this next few pieces? I think so, but it'd be better if we're together, just in case. Yeah? Yes, please. Yeah, I will. Okay. Don't run away from them. You're just making them more. Just look at him. Look at him and walk slowly. Don't sprint.
No way! No way!
George, please, pull the lever, please, I beg. George, please. What's he doing? George, pull the damn lever!
No way.
I don't think you understand how badly I am lagging.
We failed.
Oh, I was messaging someone about that last planet. Yeah.
Xbox Live! I'm literally a beacon, aren't I? I kind of just ran in, plus it's a storm map, I didn't realise it was stormy. Yeah? Yeah, is he alive?
Yep.
Yeah.
Where is he?
He's deep beneath the silt. Okay, he might be dead.
He might.
Should one of us go check on him?
I don't know, like, how deep he is.
Cheers, man!
Alright, fuck it. Oh, no.
He did.
Are you fucking kidding me?
George?
I think Max goes and sees the body.
George?
No way.
Is George next? Where is he?
Is he dead?
Yes, he is. He died to lightning.
I left for like 3
What a
seconds.
noob. Why did you pick the flooded one?
Spy around here!
Not all of it's deathly flooded, right?
Stupid!
Blue bug. It's aggro.
Yeah.
of me. I will see.
Hello.
Thing.
I think he died to a loot bug.
He died to a loot bug?
How the fuck do I bring it up?
Jump.
I am fucking hitting jump, it's not doing anything.
Wait, drop the thing. Can I like grab it from here? Yeah, now,
Oh,
there you go.
Yeah, we've got a baby flashlight. That's 2?
I think so. So wait, did you see Jack?
I saw him go in, and then I never saw him again.
I watched it on the thing. There was a big red dot going after him. So I think I don't know what's big. What's
Big is Thumper or Bunker Spider.
Oh, do you think you could wait? Jack, wait. Who's carrying?
Jack's moving.
Okay,
Yeah, correct.
oh, Kyle's got him, I think.
Yeah. Imagine it's just the blanket. Imagine it's just the blanket.
No. Yeah.
And he's dead. Yep.
Well.
And he's dead. Yep.
Shit. Hey, you got a head start, okay? I don't have enough blood in my... Hey, I don't have enough blood in my system. I can't go, like, arcane mode just yet. Oh, great. It's just fucking great. Wait, hold on, idea. Just in case there's a man-eater, should we go one at a time so we know who the favorite is?
Goodbye.
Okay, let's go.
Bye-bye. Bye.
It's okay, little Papa. It's okay, Papa. I got you. Can we get someone to like... Don't drop shit near me. It's okay, oh, it's okay. I got the baby. Ah! I look after the baby. Don't drop that! Don't. Careful. I don't want to piss the baby off. Okay. I'll wait here. Good luck!
You fucking
At least I got the
moron.
baby.
He's gonna die to a spider, right? You're just hanging in front of him. Mad. Marriage.
Xbox!
How can that thing even fucking pick
Fly!
you up, fat
Fly,
fuck?
boy, fly!
Perfect.
God damn it! God fucking damn it! George is dead! He fell into a pit! I'm your dog! I found a dog! Wait, take this key. Actually, no, I'll keep the key.
Walk. Wait. Walk just to the side like this. And just walk forward slowly. Oh fuck! Yeah. Walk forward slowly. Oh, but don't hold anything. Follow me. This.
Okay, I'm alive. There you go. Oh, just...
Put up fists.
What about Kyle? Wait, did we buy anything? Oh. Ah. Hello.
Oh.
Fuck me. Ah.
Hey. How are you doing? Fine, gentlemen.
I didn't even touch the damn bridge. God damn it. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Take the shit, take the shit, take the shit, take the shit. I'll take the glove. Yeah, just go. Go, I may not make it out alive.
Die? Oh.
Who's alive? Don't tell me it's just me. Fucking Jack. Jack, if you're listening, you're a goddamn idiot. What happened? Bro blew the hell up, that's what happened.
And it's a lot more clear because it's a bigger screen.
Ah.
Oh, he's back. Boo.
I'm alive! I am not joining you in that because I am near death.
I'll fucking do it.
Yeah, not me.
None.
I refuse to do that.
Yep. Is fucking Jack dead?
Yes. We should probably leave before that door opens.
Eclipse Titan's gonna be.
You're gonna win.
Did he just die already?
Someone's dead. Fuck it.
Is he dead?
So did you both jump? Are you serious?
Ah. Well then. I didn't know where he was coming from.